What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. On the way to Ledesma's Mufflers right now. Go do this little muffler delete on the 300. Kind of tired of it being too quiet, you know? Step on the gas. We don't hear anything. So we're about to go change that today. Over here at Ledesma's Mufflers in Chula Vista. I always go do my muffler deletes with them. They always get down. See you guys when I get there. Got on the lift, boy. It's not gonna sound like a hybrid no more. Fuck that, man. We need some kind of noise. I'm gonna be taking that one off, that one off.
Bring it down a little bit, okay?
Here at the desk, boy. Sheesh. Check them out.